Hey guys, so today I'm going to be fixing up this wig, as you can already tell. So this is a lace front. I know it doesn't look like it, but look how matted up, tangled it is. This wasn't my wig, it was actually given to me, but I just need to like pluck it and fix it. I'm turning it out inside out. I don't know what it is, but it does look like 13x4 lace frontal. It was super dirty, super yucky, super stiff. Like I said previously, this wig was super dirty, so you see me brushing it out, and then I'm gonna be washing it until the water kind of runs clear and just getting all the wax and everything off. Guys, when I tell you this hair was so dirty and so musty, maybe it was collecting dust or something. Maybe it came from the hair dye, but I had to do a second wash because it was so dirty. Like it was so dirty. So I just finished washing the hair and it was just like kind of tangled. So I'm just detangling it, as you can see. Okay, you guys, so now that the hair is fully detangled, you guys already know what's next. We're gonna start plucking the wig. As you guys already know, I do have a widow's peak, and whenever I don't have a widow's peak on my wigs, it just kind of looks weird. So I'm gonna customize that when I'm actually installing the wig. So stay tuned for that video. To pluck this wig, I'm going to be using a brush, obviously, to detangle the hair, and then a spray water bottle, and then I'm going to be using clips to hold the hair back for me because it does get really messy real quick, and then obviously a rat tail comb to help me section the hair, and most importantly, the tweezer. So here you see me using my rat tail comb to section out the perimeter of the wig. So I'm just gonna be sectioning just right behind the hairline. As you can see, I'm plucking the wig, and one really big advice / tip is that when you're plucking a wig to kind of move around, because it's super easy to over pluck the wig. And obviously I'm spraying water to kind of help it calm down, and because it gets really puffy, if that makes sense. And sometimes you just gotta your hands get tired, so that's why I put the wig sideways. And now I'll be plucking towards the hairline. Guys, the most important thing with plucking is time. Like, this is in real time. Look how slow it's taken me. Like, you really got to be patient and have like so much time to be plucking this wig. This almost took me like maybe like an hour and a half in total with breaks included. I did some plucking off camera, but guys, look at like how much like the hair gets, like, it's not really tangled, but I just wanted to show you guys what I mean by it gets like really puffy. Finally, like the final step of plucking, we're gonna be really plucking the hairline actually. So this part, you really got to be like super precise and super careful with it, because if you mess this part out, your wig is really done for. Like, it's really, so like just take your time and go real slow with it, and you know, use the clips to clip it back if you really need to. Done some plucking off camera and I finally finished, but this is the final result. I just want to put some crimps or curls up in this hair, guys. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do to style it yet, but I'm definitely thinking about curling it. And also, if you guys were curious, I made sure to keep all the hair. This is the final shedding of everything. Okay guys, so I decided I want to style this hair, and as you can see, I'm using my hot comb to just like take the baby hairs and all the flyaways back, so it makes it easier. I didn't put wax or anything, just the hot comb itself. And I've decided to crimp the hair, so I'm detangling the hair just to get any knots out and everything. And then I'm gonna be using my crimper for the first time ever. I'm so excited to use it. So while my crimper is heating up, we're gonna multitask. So I'm here like kind of separating the hair, guys. This is actually like my first time using a crimper, so I'm kind of like excited. And this crimper, like, I didn't really read the instruction, but it beeps. Like, it literally beeps to tell you to like open up the thing, and it locks and everything. Guys, technology is getting so advanced, because what? Shein literally ate with that. Like, tea to Shein, good job for that. And it's like only $37. Like wow. Like, you go to Amazon and it's like $110, and people say it's like shit quality, but yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final outcome. I'm super happy with the result. I didn't use any like hairsprays or got to be or anything because I wanted the hair to be like a fluffy beach look, but I'm super happy with this result. It's super tea. Like I just wanted some light curls, but don't be fake guys. Like, you know, subscribe to a girl.